How to transfer file SD card to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Samsung to SD card, or how to use this SD card. For that you need this kind of, you can use any kind of, first of all you have to insert it. Now let's connect it to my phone. Once you connect, then you have to go your file, file, then you can see storage. This is my SD card. Now you have to enable your SD card, sorry, this one, USB storage. Then here you can see the folder. If you want to transfer from SD card to your phone, then just select it, then press on copy. Now go to internal and where you want to paste it from. For example, I want to paste it here. Now if you go to your gallery, then you can see your file is available here. And if you want to transfer from file phone to SD card, the same way you need to go your file, then go to your internal memory. This is my internal storage. Go to folder. For example, you want to transfer this one again, then press on this option, press on copy. Once you press on copy, then you can see your USB. If you want to paste it here, it's also pasted here. So this is how you can easily transfer between SD card and your phone. So if video helpful, please thumbs up and do subscribe. Thank you.